Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Destra Network Coin. Now, if you're looking to get this token, open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com, and the Destra Network Coin is right here. Simply scroll through and copy its Ethereum contract address, and if you scroll a bit further, you'd find its market where it's being traded both on centralized exchanges and decentralized. So for the centralized exchange, we're going to be working with MEXC. For the decentralized, we're going to be working with the Uniswap. So please keep these in mind. Minimize and open up your MEXC platform. And once you've opened up the MEXC, make sure you have an account. If you do not, use our link in the description of the video to sign up and stand a chance to claim $1,000 USDT bonus when you register and verify your account using our link. So guys, once you're on MEXC, how can you buy the Destra Network coin? It's quite easy to get this coin. First, head to your wallet so you can fund your wallet with cryptocurrency. You could do this by simply clicking on a deposit at overview and depositing USDT, USDC, or any cryptocurrency that can be converted into USDT for the transaction. Once that's done, you could also head over to fiat. And once at fiat, you could use the buy crypto option to simply buy cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum in your local currency via the Express option, the P2P option, or the third-party options. All of these options are all available as long as you have your Visa card or you have your P2P account ready. All you need to do is just use your local currency to get cryptocurrency on your wallet. It's quite easy. So enter an amount in your local currency. We have euro, we have the Great British pounds. So for 1,000 pounds, you're getting 1,212 USDT, and you can pay via your credit card or the third-party options. All right, guys, that's how you can get crypto on MEXC. So once you've gotten yourself some USDT, head to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen, and where we have Strump USDT, click on this drop down and simply search for INC. That's the Destra coin. And once you're here, for the trading pattern, we're going, instead of using limit, we're going to be using market, as this helps us buy at the current price of the market. Once you selected market as your means of trading, enter the amount of USDT you wish to buy, and then simply click on buy the DSYNC. That's the Destra coin. Head to your wallet, scroll from overview to your spot, perform a reload, and you'd find it here. All right, guys, that's how you can get the Destra coin on a centralized exchange. For the decentralized, minimize and open up your MetaMask account. So guys, welcome to MetaMask. If you do not have an account set up, simply set up your MetaMask. And once you set up your MetaMask, make sure you move from the BNB Smart Chain using the network toggle at the top of the screen to move over to the Ethereum main network. Now, once on the Ethereum main network, you're going to need to have some Ethereum to be able to go on with this transaction. If you do not have Ethereum, click on the Buy ETH option. And by clicking on Buy ETH, you can simply buy your Ethereum using your local currency, such as the payment options with Google Pay, your debit or credit, bank transfer. You could also select the tokens you wish to buy from the Uniswap token to other tokens as well, and then all you need to do is simply pay using your credit card. So guys, that's how you can easily get Ethereum on MetaMask. With this information, how can we add the Destra Network coin to our wallet? Simply click on import tokens, click on custom token, paste the token contract address we had copied from CoinMarketCap, click on next, and then you find the Destra Network coin, click on import. And by selecting import, the token will be added. Now our next step is to simply head to the browser at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you've selected this option, simply use the search icon to search for Uniswap. Once you've searched for app.uniswap.org, make sure you connect your wallet using the connect icon at the top right. So once you're connected, you'd find all of your assets, including the Ethereum you had recently bought. All right, so now with Ethereum on your wallet, where we have the select token, click on select. Paste the contract address for this token we had copied from CoinMarketCap, and then simply select Destra Network, click on I understand, and then enter an amount of ETH you wish to buy the Destra coin for, and then simply pay the amount and then cover the gas fee of just $2, and you'd have the Destra Network coin on your wallet. And if you head back and perform a reload, you'd find it here. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and don't forget to like and subscribe.